everyone, this is Cindy Cricut the Heart, and I'm here to share projects that I made using some stamps that I gotten from the Not Too Shabby shop. I am going to share what I made using the Miss Anya Samoyed? I think that's the name of the dog, the type of dog, the breed of the dog. Such a cute stamp set. So I loved these girls. I love the size of them, and they're just really, really cute. And then I used this background stamp, which is from CC Designs, and did some masking, which I had never done before until recently. And then I used this stamp set for the first time, which I actually believe I won this from CC Designs, and I have the dies as well. So I think I won that because I think I did. I know I had won some of the product. I thought that was a spring. So here's the first card that I want to share with you guys. This one I did a Distress Oxide background, which I had never done before, and did some masking. And I sprayed a little bit on here. And then here are the two little spring girls I used. What is this called? I think it's like spring something. Anyway. But I use these little girls, and I cut them out using the dies, and then I use my Copics. And so on this little girl, I did some white dots, kind of look like polka dots a little bit. On this one, I did some stickles on the wings as well as on the trees and in the middle of the flowers and on the clouds. So it looks sparkly, cute little scene. And then my sentiment says, "Happiness is you." So there's that one. And then this one is a one-layer card. This one's inspired by the card that Jamie showed on the Not Too Shabby Shop YouTube channel. So this one, even though I, use this tree, I actually cut her out on another piece of paper. I didn't do masking on this one. And I cut her out instead because I just found that this stamp set was a little bit more detailed than I really felt like masking, so I didn't do that. And then the hearts came, and I love the hearts actually, came from this stamp set as well. And so I stamped that and colored it in with red marker and then did some stickles on that as well as the trees. I did do a little, I lied, I guess. I did a tiny bit of masking around here, and then I just sponged a little bit of color behind the tree. And so I really, really like that one. I did a couple of sequins, and then the images and everything is colored in with Copics. I didn't do a sentiment on this one because I felt like this could be a lot of different things. And so I left it blank so I can stamp whatever it is that I wanted to stamp on the inside. So here are my cards. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Cricut the Heart.